Hello and namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video or visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified on my every upcoming new videos. In this video I like to show how you can write an email to professor, what are the necessary elements and how your email should be. So let's get started. So at very first, go ahead and compose a new email and you'll see this kind of interface. Now you have to write a recipient whom you are sending your email. Suppose your professor, suppose I'm going to write one email address here, then your subject line must be eye-catchy. So here I want to write research opportunities and in bracket I'm going to write I am request for supervision. Okay, now whenever professors see your email and they will directly look to the subject line, it shows that you are interested in research and you are seeking for a research opportunity and you are requesting for a supervision. Now in an email template, it should be a good and decent email template. The another part is email template, and your email template must be concise and to the point on what is your email is all about. That means a little more explanation of your subject line. Now you write the name of a professor, and after that you tell him that you are an international student and you have completed this course and you have specified that you meet all the requirement of this university. Again, after that you showed that you are interested in this project. That means you have researched that his or her ongoing project is under this particular topic. Now after that, if you are working or doing a job somewhere, then you can specify that you are currently working here as a research assistant or any position. Then you must give him a particular suggestion or thing that why you want to further continue your master's or PhD. Here I wrote, however, I want to continue both my academic and research career ahead. So that means he want to continue his academic, your master's or PhD, and side by side he want to continue his research experience, research career. I have been following your research project, intensifying the crop improvement through breeding program. In this email, I specified that he has been specializing or currently doing under particular subject line, and I got exhilarated to know availability of MSc position, that I have known that this position is available. So I have an inquiry that am I eligible for that program or for that position. So all your research work related to crop production pulled my research interest. This shows that you have gone through his profile and his research background pulled your interest. Going through your website, I find the project quite interesting and I have a great interest to work on this project under your supervision. This clearly shows that you have a interest and you have gone through his profile and you know a little background well about him, and you have mentioned here that you have what you have attached below. Like I have already told that you need to attach your CV, your cover letter or letter of interest, and your unofficial transcript, or if you have any published paper you can attach that below, and you have to thank or appreciate him for his time and consideration. And below you can attach your signature. There are many videos in YouTube regarding signature, how to create your own signature. So this will create a bit quite impression. So after this you have to attach all the files that you had made ready with, and you can send that file finally.